Hey guys, as a working mom, it can be a struggle trying to keep and maintain a clean home. So today's video is dedicated to sharing my daily cleaning checklist. It's quick, easy, and something you can do too.
When it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you.
Today's video is also in collaboration with Yesenia from Yesenia, A Mom's Life. She is a stay-at-home mom with 3 kids, and she posts tons of cleaning and lifestyle videos. She has such an upbeat personality, which always puts a smile on my face. So once you're finished watching this video, head on over to her channel and show her some love.
As long as you can show me a good time, I don't need promises, honest.
If you are coming over from Yesenia's channel, hi, my name is Nia, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm a working mom with a 2.5-year-old little girl named Riley, and I post tons of cleaning motivation for the everyday busy mom. Before heading out, please like, subscribe, and comment below introducing yourself.
Dinners and rings and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to get into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care. Oh, 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 don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time. If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone. But you only get a sip, so show me a good time. I don't care.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. illogical. That's something that you do to me is chemical. I know it is illogical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border, but when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border, but when we're floating up like helium. Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the
For more cleaning routines and motivation, I will leave my playlist below. And remember to go check out Yesenia's channel to see what her morning cleaning routine looks like.
right till the morning, a new kind of ecstasy. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of